gotta share this one. This is dueling lines right here. It goes all the way across the sky. It gets a little bit hard to see over there, but look at this. Perfectly symmetrical. I guess, I mean, it's coming out of the same plane, but why is this the first time I'm seeing something like that? Pretty crazy, huh? So I just wanted to do a follow-up on this so I could actually turn it into just a video for YouTube. That's it. That's all you can see right there. So it's just turned into one big one now. I could see it over there. I'm gonna turn and, oh, let me zoom back in. Turn and look at the sun now. I don't know. It's just kind of a eerie day. 6.1 magnitude earthquake over off the coast of Oregon. And I guess these clouds over the next day or two are gonna pick up and we're gonna see some bad weather. What does that spell? Double trouble. Anyway, all right, guys. Two of them. Did that have something to do with it? Huh. What does all this mean?